Okay, so right here I have from Revant. These are replaceable lenses, and I'm putting them on some Ray-Bans. So I've got some Ray-Bans here. The lenses are pretty marked up and scratched up. The frames are still in really good condition. So what we're gonna do is pop these out. Okay, and then the Revant, the packaging, really nice, really protective of the lenses, but we got the kind of the icy blue polarized version right here. So they should look pretty good in here. So let's make sure that they really fit good, as we'll just pop those right in here. Okay, so got them popped in here, looking really good. And then you can use this same bag to clean up your lenses as well. But yeah, these replacement lenses really fit well and definitely replace all this scratchiness right here. So they look a lot better, and that's what the icy blue looks like. So if you're needing replacement lenses, these are the ones for you. Definitely pick up a pair of these.